Hey, what up, guys? It's Brian with Austin Auto Finishes, back again showing the Teslas. We're going to make this one look flawless. Young man, his son had some tires that were less than desirable, and we hit a little bit of rain. So we started up here. We got some in the bumper, obviously, to take it off, do the insurance, and do the paint all right. Got to take it all apart. But yeah, just kind of walk with me. We got this fender that's pretty jacked up. We'll repair it, make it look like new. Again, guys, it's all about the prep. It's all about doing it right, being able to offer a lifetime warranty and do things right. So we got the mirror out, obviously camera, got a door handle out, got a little bit of damage here, so we're gonna paint, and then we get back into the other damage. So not only is this door jamb pretty jacked up in here, we got some on the door, and then of course the rocker quarter panel, all gonna need to be done. Kind of coming back, moving through here. We got a little bit on the bumper, yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all stay tuned for kind of the progress. But yeah, spread the word, please. Collision Center is absolutely killing it. It's about world-class service experience. So peace, love, Austin Auto Finishes.